Welcome friends in lecture 3 science lesson 10 light refraction and reflection of light, right. Today we are going to learn the types of images formed by the concave mirror. Now the type of images formed by the concave mirror, as in the last previous lecture we have learned that the concave mirrors forms a particular type of an images. So in the pictures, as you are capable of you are able to see the images which are there in different positions. So there are 3-4 things we need to understand. First of all, where the object is kept, like the mirror is there, so where the object is kept according to its principal axis. So according to the principal axis, where the object is kept. Now the positions will be defined according to pole, focal length, that is focus, and center of curvature. 3 things will be given importance to, or the position will be very far away. So we call this as an infinite, whether it is image or whether it is an object. These are the things we need to understand. Secondly, we need to understand about real and virtual. Now what is real and what is virtual? The images which can be obtained on the screen are called as an real images, and the ones which are obtained on the screen but the complete picture is not obtained, only the part of the picture is obtained, the rest of the image we need to understand that it is there. The things are erect and inverted. That means if the object or image is on the upper part and the straight position of the principal axis, and the concave mirror front position, that is on the straight way perpendicular on the principal axis towards the concave mirror, these are called as an erect, and which are inverted conditions, so obviously they are called as an inverted images or inverted object, if object is also kept in an inverted way. Now the next is about diminish. Diminish is the size of an object or the size of an image. Generally we use these terms in the size of an image only. If the object or image are very small, then we call this as an diminished, very diminished rather, and if it is diminished, that means it is a small size. If it is enlarged, that means it is more than the size of an object. If it is same, then it will be of same size. If it is very enlarged, then we can say that it is a very big size of an image or an object which is obtained. Now we will start with the first one, that position of an object. Position of an object, position of an image, 2 things. Nature of an image contains 2 things, either it is real or either it is virtual, one thing. Secondly, it is inverted or whether it is erect, right. So these are the 2 things which will be counted in nature of an image. And the last is a size. Size is either, as I told you, diminished or enlarged. So we will start as seeing in the picture. We see there is a principal axis is there at the center, and all the rays are coming parallel to the principal axis, and after striking the concave mirror, they all come and strike to a certain point, and this point is called as an focal point. So this is called as an focal point, and the length is called as an focal length. Now if you see this image is obtained on the focal point, it is real, that means it can be obtained. It is inverted, that means not erect, it is inverted, and it is very diminished. So it is a diminished image that is obtained, right. So from the if you say where it is kept, the object is at infinity. The object position will be at infinity and image position will be at focus. Now the second one is at beyond C. Now this is the C point which you are seeing. This is the point C and beyond C. That means first is on the concave mirror, it is a focal point. From focus point, that is focus, from that it is center of curvature, and after that the object is kept in front of the mirror, that is called as an beyond C. From beyond C, the ray is passing and striking to the mirror and concave mirror, and it is passing from the focus. The second ray is passing from the focus and getting parallel to the principal axis on the downward side below the principal axis, and both the rays passing from the focus and coming parallel and passing straight, and after that passing from the focus, and both of the rays are coming and get together at certain point. This point you are seeing that the image is inverted and the inverted image is obtained. So what is the position of the image? Object ki position, or the position of the object was beyond C, but the position of the image will is between C and F. C and F means center of curvature and focus. The image is real, that means it is obtained on the screen, and it can be obtained on the mirror itself. We will be able to see on the mirror also that the image is there. If you see on the from the front side, and it will be inverted and diminished, smaller in size. So, smaller in size with respect to the object height. Object, whatever the object height h is there, h dash must be smaller in size, right. The third one is at C. Now, when you see at C, the image is observed exactly opposite below the C. So, a ray is passing straightway, passing from the focus as usual, straight after striking, passing to the focus, one ray passing from the focus and getting parallel to the principal axis. Both the rays, how to make an diagram, that is also very important. How you are supposed to make a diagram? First of all, draw a line, right. Make it 6 centimeter if you want to make it 6 centimeter, and make an arc like 3 lines above and 3 lines below. So, that will be your mirror from 6 centimeter, that means that is called as radius. So, that will be radius of curvature, and exactly at 3 centimeter you mark the focus. After that you make a diagram, you will get all the things very correctly. So, you will able to see that the image which is obtained is exactly below the C point, but it is in the inverted. So, object at C, image also at C. Now, nature is real and inverted, and size of the image is same, exactly same as an object. Now, the next one is next image that is being formed is between C and F. So, the object is placed between C and F. So, object you see is between center of curvature and focus. So, same way you are supposed to draw, make 6 centimeters, make a focal point at 3 centimeters, from 6 centimeters draw an arc, 3 lines above and 3 lines below, right. From the point between C and F, that is from 3 centimeter to 6 centimeters, between it anywhere you place an object, make a straight line passing from the focus, another line passing from the focus, striking the mirror and make it straight, and you will see that the image is formed beyond C. So, the object is between C and F, but the image is beyond C. So, as you are moving towards the mirror, the image is going away from the mirror, and it will be beyond C. The real, inverted, and now you are getting from the same size, the next position will be enlarged. That means you are started getting the enlarged image. As you are going towards the mirror, the images are getting enlarged. And the last is very important, because this is unusual in case of an concave mirror. When the two of the things are unusual, when it is kept at focus, you will get an image at infinity. It will be, you will be able to see a straight line from the focus, right. So, make a straight line from the focus, pass it from the focus. Now, passing from the focus, you will not understand how to make another line. So, you may make a line passing from the center of curvature, either from the back side, that is from the back side of center of curvature, make it straight line, or you make a line passing at the passing towards the pole, that is angle of incident and angle of, but you have to make both the angles exact. So, otherwise if you will not make both the angles exact, you are seeing that the lines are not getting parallel, it should get parallel. So, if it is there, it should get parallel, and if the angles are not equal, maybe possible you might be seeing certain things like in the back side of your image also, that the lines are not getting parallel. It is because the angle of incident and angle of reflection is not equalized. If it is equalized, then it will be correct image. The lines should be getting parallel. Either you make one line, you are making straight passing from the focus, the another, either you make it pass from the center of curvature on the back side, from the back side of the object, and or you may see, you will make at the angle of incident at the pole and angle of reflection at the pole. In both the cases, both the lines should get parallel. So, you are getting real, inverted, but very highly enlarged image, right. And the last is totally unusual, because here you are not getting any property which you had been getting before. So, if you are keeping the object between F and P, the image will be obtained behind the mirror. That means you are getting on the exactly back side of the mirror, that means object, and back side you are getting an image either inverted or whatever it is. but here you are getting a virtual. That means actually you are not getting an image, you are getting a part of an image. So you think that the image must be there, but it is very highly enlarged. So how to make it? You are placing between pole and focus. Make an image, same thing, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeters. From 6 centimeters make an arc. Place an object between F and P, right? Make it straight line and pass it through the focus. Pass it through the focus. The another line you pass it from the pole, right? From the pole, and you will see that it should get straight. But how it should get straight? So angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. From angle of incident and angle of reflection, the reflection that is going backward, angle which is going, you make the line going on the back side of the mirror, angle of incident, angle of reflection, and you make it back side of the mirror. Both the lines coincide and make. This is one way. Another way is you pass the line from the object, it is between P and F, between P and F. You make a line pass through C. From the object tip, you make the line pass from the C and extend the line on the back side, then also you will get an image. So both this way you will get an image. It will be, now see what is happening between F and P. The image that you are getting is behind the mirror, but exact position is not located because it is going to and fro as you are moving between F and P. Secondly, it is virtual. This is the only way you can get an virtual image inside on the concave mirror. Secondly, it is highly enlarged, it is very enlarged, erect. That is another important thing, which is you are not able to get it in any other properties of any other placement of an object. But between F and P, you are getting an erect and virtual, right, and highly enlarged. This kind of image you will be obtaining. Fine. So we have learned in this particular session that how to get, in the video also you will be able to see that how the lines are passing and how the things are formed. So you will practice it and you will try to learn how to draw it. This is very important. Fine. Thank you for